And so again, in this collected canter, a lot of times I feel a little outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside in my seat bones, right? I'm not just on my outside seat bone, because then that would tell him to trot. And there is this little like J, J, J in my pelvis to kind of like now, that's in the circle of the seat video, right? That my lower abs pick up his thoracic sling. But if I sit too far forward and arch my back, then he gets a little bit lacking impulsion. If I lean too far back, then I drive the back down. Sorry, buddy, we gotta do it for the people. And so this feeling of lift, 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 jaws tiny, crunching a tiny little ab crunch between my pubic bone and my belly button as I stay wide in my torso. But this feeling of feeling his two hind legs in my two sled runners is really, really important.